Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number HB159 US27 handrail bracket. This is a large, giant piece of aluminum in the shape of a handrail bracket used on commercial applications. It's certainly heavy duty. It's made of aluminum. It's going to be intended to be installed into a masonry wall. I'm going to bet that that's a 1/2 inch lag bolt with a expansion shield. Okay. If you've used lead anchors like this, you know it's the right thing to use for masonry, or among the right things. A couple of I'm going to go with number 12 screws for securing down your handrail. Sheet metal screws, so not sure what you'll be putting down. Wood, if it's going to be something else, you probably want to get your hands on some machine screws to drill and tap into a metal handrail, I would suppose. Let's go over some dimensional properties, and while I do so, US27 means satin aluminum. It's also available in like a brass, a US3AL, a brass type color. Diameter of the base, about just heavy on 3 inch. They've got it at 3 1/8. Base to rail center, 3 1/8 as well. I'm going to say that that's accurate. Overall projection about 3 3/8. Okay. Cast aluminum. There is a link below this video to a document called Installation, and that is really just a technical drawing of the item. It does show the location of that screw hole as measured from the bottom side of where the handrail will be applied, 1.25 inches. Let's judge that. Certainly looks accurate, holding it as straight as possible. 5/8 of an inch center lines on the screw holes. Looks correct as well. Okay. The installation link also tells you the size of the bolts. They are indeed 1/2 inch on the 159, and this is the A version. That means aluminum base material, and that lag shield, and those were 12 by 1.25 inch flat Phillips. They call it wood screws, but they're threaded all the way up, so a sheet metal screw. Now, there's a link also below this video to the product brochure that you'll be able to review the handrail brackets from Ives, and the 159 is on the bottom of that page. They discontinue to hold. They've discontinued some of their handrail brackets, and the 159 is now currently available only in aluminum, where at one time it was available in a solid brass base material. Just aluminum now, however. Meets OSHA and BHMA strength test requirements for commercial applications. Okay, nice quality item from Ives. Luckily, they still have this because this is what you need to do those stronger applications, or those ones that are going to take more abuse. You might use that in a commercial sort of condo building. Let's say you might have some stairs or a need for a robust handrail bracket that will be used by the public in a residential yet commercial type setting is where this will come in. Okay. Just 2 finishes available on this now. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ives products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm partial to Ives, and it's really because the name Ives is something that I'm very familiar with and have, quite honestly, just a lot of memorization of part numbers. But objectively, I like many of the things in their product line, especially their pivots. Center hung and offset pivots. If you're looking for pivots for full-size doors, take a look at their pivot hardware prior to making a purchase decision. I think you'll be surprised by the value and the accessibility of the installation instructions. They're well written without overburdening the reviewer or the installer or the machiner or the specifier or the homeowner or the architect with information. If you have any questions on the Ives, HB159 and a US27 satin aluminum finish, or any other Ives product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.